Hi, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-to-step process on how to create an Apple account. Apple ID is an account you use to access to Apple services like iCloud, the App Store, iTunes Store, Apple Music, and much more. To sign up to a new Apple ID, go to your web browser. Type appleid.apple.com and enter. From the search result, under Manage your Apple ID, click on Create your Apple ID. You'll be taken to a page where you can create an Apple ID. Type in your first name and your last name. Select a country or region you live in. Enter your birthday information next. Create an Apple ID. If your new ID is valid, you can move on, but if it is not, a message will pop out saying enter a valid email address to use as your Apple ID. While creating a password, your password must meet certain criteria given below. Create a password meeting the criteria. Confirm the password you just entered by typing it again. Next, choose your country code. While creating a password, your password must meet certain criteria given below. Type in a strong password meeting those criteria and confirm the password you just entered by typing it again. Make sure the passwords match. Now, choose your country code and type in your phone number. Make sure to enter the phone number you always have access to. You can choose to verify your phone number with either receiving a text message or a phone call. Choose any one and move on. Click on the boxes below if you don't want to have these features on your Apple account. Now, type in the characters shown in the image on the box. Use a new code by clicking on New Code in case you don't identify the characters given to you. And after that, click Continue. You'll need to verify your email address to create your new Apple ID. An email with a verification code has been sent to the email you just entered. You'll need to enter the code here. Enter the code sent to your email ID and click on the Continue button. You'll need to verify your phone number to finish setting up your Apple ID. Enter the verification code sent to your mobile number again and click the Continue button. After that, you'll create a new Apple ID. Quick and easy. I hope you liked the video. If it helped you in any way, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions or feedbacks. I'll be back again with more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.